Alright, so good morning, good evening, good afternoon to wherever you are right now. This is Caleb McKenzie again, and I am here today to talk a little bit about my second career profile. I've decided to do it on a topic known as mental health therapist. And being Canadian, of course, I decided that I was going to go and look at a area that is closer to home. So I decided to go to the Lower Mainland here, British Columbia, which is actually where I live. And I found a program called Fraser Health BC, and it's kind of right up my alley. Um, it's something I actually looked at doing before when I was thinking about becoming a nurse. There's many locations throughout the Lower Mainland of BC, existing all throughout Burnaby, Richmond, Vancouver, Surrey, White Rock, and this entire area. I don't really know anybody yet in that field, but it is a very large organization. They generally deal more with hospitals, clinics, and on-call programs. Um, There are sometimes therapists that go with emergency vehicles when they're heading out towards sites of accidents or fires. Um, the working environment, it's good. Like there's going to be stressors like dealing with patients that struggle with mental disabilities. There's going to be frequent overtime, late nights. You're going to be on call a lot of the time. But there's benefits that are absolutely astounding. Full mental and dental coverage. There's fairly decent compensation, certainly enough to potentially retire early, so I can serve a mission later on in life with my family. According to FraserHealth.ca, common job tasks include responsibilities for delivery of programs and related services to adult clients that have serious acute mental disorders, including the provision of group therapy, group education. What that pretty much means is that I would be involved in group therapy as well as the delivery system for assistance to adults that have mental disorders and disabilities. For this kind of position, I'd be looking at needing a master's degree in social work, counseling, or relevant related health discipline, such as clinical psychology or child psychology, or another therapy major. Starting salary is generally around $31 an hour, and experience salary is usually around 40. This is Canadian though, so numbers will vary between Canada and the States. For other information, it's a unionized position, which means that once you get it, you're not likely to lose it, which is always good. As a team effort, as a therapist, you'll be working very closely with doctors and with other trauma counselors in order to ensure the best treatment for the patient is obtained. For more information, you can look at careers.fraserhealth.ca. They are actually currently looking to fill a position like this, so if you know anybody who has a master's degree and is looking for a position, now would be a great time to apply here in Canada. Thank you so much, and have a great night, or afternoon, or morning, depending on when you're watching this.